Digital Passport here, and welcome back to our Halloween series of the best ways to celebrate Halloween in your own state. Today, we're in New York City, but before we start, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. 1. Visit the Haunted Mansion at the Bronx Zoo. The Bronx Zoo is a massive and beautiful place that features all of the animals you've come to know and love from your childhood. The zoo is home to more than 1,600 individual animals representing over 250 species, so there are plenty of opportunities for everyone in the family to find their favorite animal or two. For those who want something a little spooky on Halloween, try visiting the Haunted Mansion on October 31st. It can be found near the Visitor Center, and it's open from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. Admission is $5 per person, but kids under 2 get in free with an adult. 2. Take a ride on the Staten Island Ferry. Staten Island is a lesser-known borough of New York City that has several incredible things to see and do. Taking a ride on the Staten Island Ferry is one of our favorite activities in Staten Island during Halloweekend. The ferry leaves from Lower Manhattan every hour on the half hour for $4 each way plus $1 for your bike. On its way out into the harbor, it provides breathtaking views of both Brooklyn and Manhattan. It's a pleasant and reasonably inexpensive way to get up close with such renowned monuments while feeling the wind in your hair. The trip takes around 25 minutes each way, so we usually alight on the Staten Island side for a look at Richmond County Bank Park. We also recommend grabbing a slice at Paisano's Pizzeria. It's a 5-minute walk from the ferry terminal and is delicious, says Ava of Cherry Hill, New Jersey. 3. Explore New York's haunted past at Hart Island Cemetery. The location is also home to one of New York's largest cemeteries, Hart Island Cemetery. The final resting place for many of New York's unidentified dead is on Hart Island, which was formerly an uninhabited island off Manhattan. A yellow fever epidemic devastated the city in 1869, claiming over 11,000 lives. The island of Hart is not open to the public. The grounds surrounding it are closed, and visitors are not permitted on them. It is patrolled by police boats, and security guards will tell you to leave if you approach the island. As with all abandoned sites in New York, taking a boat tour provided by Hart Island Tours is your best option for entering the island. With 5 different tours to choose from, you can explore the island's deserted prison or its uninhabited neighborhoods. 4. Attend one of NYC's many Halloween parties, including Carnival del Terror in Queens or Slithers and Jangles' Spooky Soiree in Brooklyn. If you're looking for a Halloweekend in New York, here are some ideas to get you started. 1. Get freaky at the best Halloween party in New York City. Bizarre Bar and Club's Sexy Monster Mash Extravaganza. 2. Attend the People's B.O. Autiful DIY Masquerade Ball, where both costumes and music will be fabuloso. 3. Have a ghoulishly good time this Halloweekend at the Monster Factory on Friday with Man, I Lie, and Jesse Marco, Saturday with Jukebox Voodoo Ritual Show, or Sunday with the Monster Mash. 4. Dress up for some scary fun at Halloween NYC by Trans Exposure on Friday. That's all for the video. Thanks for tuning in with me. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe for weekly uploads.